Hi, I'm Doug from Soundman Car Audio. Today we're looking at the CT Sounds Bio Series 5¼ inch set. Right now we'll take a look at this 5¼ inch Bio Coaxial. Oh, that's nice. A lot of 5¼ don't come with a grill. So for an application where you're mounting this on the outside of a door panel in a motorhome or boat type of situation, it's nice to have this grill. Most of the time they come with 6.5s only. The Bio 5¼ inch coaxials work great as a direct bolt-in replacement, whether you're upgrading an OEM speaker or replacing a blown speaker. It also perfectly suits custom applications where space is limited and the speaker will be exposed. So this is nice if you're looking for a 5¼ that has a grill. The normal ferrite magnet. The tweeter has a neodymium magnet with a silk dome tweeter. We have a 25mm voice coil. The voice coil is that outer cylinder that moves the cone up and down. That coil drops into the magnet here. And that 25mm voice coil could handle 40 watts RMS, 80 watts max per speaker. So if you're matching that up with an amplifier, look for a 40 watt RMS by 4-channel amplifier to go with 4 of these. Each set comes with a set of wires in case you're running these back to an amplifier. With the Bio Series high power handling and efficient motor design, the Bio coaxials can be used with OEM head unit power or with a separate high power amplifier. The manual gives you an example of how you'd hook your speakers up to a 4-channel amplifier. Typically you choose the size of the speaker based on what size your car takes. These speakers come in a 5¼ 6.5, 5x7 and 6x9. Some cars may need a small plastic speaker adapter or speaker spacer, so you could look your car up, see what size it takes. If you need any additional parts, then it will be a bolt-in situation from there. It's got a plastic cone, rubber surround, so these hold up good over time to weather. A foam surround and a paper cone would break down faster. Visit CT Sounds for more information. Purchase with confidence with CT Sounds same-day shipping, 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, and no questions asked returns. Find high-performance car speakers, amplifiers, subwoofers, boxes, and more at ctsounds.com.